Experience homely student living at Signature 1909 Austin, where comfort, convenience and community form the perfect blend. Take your pick from handsome 2 and 4 bedroom apartments, each decked with modern furniture, plank wood flooring, and a washer and dryer for a breezy laundry day. Roommate matching ensures maximum compatibility with your flatmates, with spacious open floor plans and beautifully designed kitchens with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. Every day feels like first class. Forget all about bills when utilities are included in the rent. Lounge at the rooftop pool and hang with friends, or fit in intense workouts at the 24-hour fitness centre. Fire up the grill for some yummy barbecue and enjoy free tanning right in the comfort of your home. Bring your furry friends along to this pet-friendly property. Even your vehicles have a home at the parking garage. Commute to campus is now cardio with Austin Community College and University of Texas at Austin, just a short drive away. The 22nd/Pearl bus stop, you'll be just a few minutes away from popular spots. So, elevate student life at Signature 1909. Austin today with amberstudent.com.